recognizing the need to highlight the sustainable food and the city's connection to it. Bangus Festival was born in the Guban city. This festival can be traced back to the early 2000s when the Guban sought a unique way to honor its primary industry, which is fishing. The story started when the fisher folks were thinking on the earliest harvest they could have at the Balusan farm in the Guban. Early in the morning, the fishermen started their long journey to their farm. As they arrived at the farm, during dawn, they used a lampara to open up and look for bangus at the freshwater farm in the Guban city. The fishermen were in great happiness, for in the long months of waiting, they can figure out that it is a time that they will have their harvest. As time passes by, they look for basil to As time passes by, they look for basil to be used for cornering the fishes accordingly. To their surprise, there were lots of fishes gathered by the fishermen. In a state of happiness, they were very glad for a bountiful harvest and food security among their families. To celebrate their fruitful harvest, the fishermen dance as a means of thanksgiving as seen in the festival dance. Ladies and gentlemen, we're mesmerized with the performance of the Brillante ng Lungsod ng Ilaga, Bangus Festival from Grade 9, Mahogany, and Acacia.
Ito ay isa sa mga pinaka-artist sa lugar. Itinutuloy ng pinakamalaki at pinakakulay na selebrasyon at ito sa kultura na ay kultura ng siyudad ng Laguna. Bangus Festival.
paltok, ipasa.
Pagmasday, pagsalutan ang saan.